Hi everyone, Hari Om. Welcome to a new video. Today we are going to practice a very quick mobility session. So बहुत जल्दी से हम अपनी बॉडी से stiffness और tightness release करेंगे through movement. So this is mobility. Now when we talk about mobility, it is very different. It is majorly focused on your joints. कि joints जब बहुत tight हो जाते हैं ना, बहुत tight हो जाते हैं, तब flexibility improve नहीं हो पाती है. So चाहे आप फिर flexibility के ऊपर कितना भी काम कर लें, but still you won't see that difference within you even after years of practice. So that is why mobility practice is very important, and today we are going to do that so that we feel more younger and we feel जैसे हम बचपन में करते थे ना, चीज़ें आराम से जैसे तैसे मुड़ जाते थे और बैठ जाते थे, कभी खड़े हो जाते थे, and there is no pain in the body. So just the same way we are going to move the body in all the ways, and this is going to be at the beginner version of mobility. So this is from where you start your mobility practice, and this can become your every morning routine. So let's start the practice. Alright, so we start with one deep breath in. Sit with a long spine. सीधे बैठे, एक लंबी सांस भरें. Exhale out. Nice. Very slowly, if you close the eyes, now open the eyes. दोनों हाथों को पीछे लगा लो. Place both the hands back. Now bring some gap between the legs. Wonderful. Very nice. We will start with 90-90 stretch. So drop both the legs at the 90 degree on the left side. So make sure that you have enough gap between the legs and do not lean too much back. Make sure the wrists are right under the shoulder. अपने हाथों को कंधों के बिल्कुल नीचे रखना है. And then go on the other side. Push the knees, both the knees down, both the hips down, so that you feel the stretch on the front thigh. And then on the other side. दोनों घुटनों को नीचे की ओर दबाओ, hips को नीचे दबाओ. Push the knees down, push the hips down. And then the other side. Do you feel the stiffness? Do you feel that tight hamstring, hip rotators, quads? You know, these are the muscles here. बॉडी जो क्योंकि हम बैठते बहुत ज़्यादा है ना, तो इसीलिए जॉइंट्स बहुत टाइट हो जाते हैं. दैट इज़ वाई इट्स इम्पॉर्टेंट. इफ़ यू सिट अ लॉट, इट्स इम्पॉर्टेंट टू डू दीज. वी हैव टू डू 4 more rounds. Left side, push the knees down, push the hips down. You can also breathe, inhale, exhale the other side. One more round. Left side, one more round, and the right side. Very nice. We have to do 5 more, but now the hands are behind the head. दोनों हाथों को पीछे रखो and go on. Turn to the other side. See, no hands. Turn to the other side. Very nice. We have 4 more rounds. Turn to the left. Push the hips down, both the hips. Try to touch both the hips. Both the knees down. You'll feel very nice stretch here. And then on the other side. Now once again, do not tilt on one hip. एक hip के ऊपर नहीं जाना. Push both the hips down. थोड़ा सा लगेगा कि you are rounding up with the spine, and that's okay. 2 more rounds. And the last one. Very nice. Now stay here. Adjust accordingly. Stay here. Make sure both the legs 90 degree position. Now bring both the hands on the front leg. दोनों हाथों को अपने आगे वाले पैर के ऊपर ले आओ. Inhale, open the chest. Exhale, touch the chest down to the front leg. Inhale, open. Exhale, down. Inhale, open. Exhale, down. Last 6. We'll do 3 more. Only 3. Last 3. Very nice. Last 2 more. Come on. Only 2. Last 1. And come back. Now turn on the other side. Place both the hands on the front leg. Inhale, open the chest. Exhale down. Inhale. Exhale. Feel that tension, that tightness on the outer thighs, your outer thigh. Close the eyes and just feel the release and the tension and the tightness. Last 2 more. Inhale. Last 1. And come back to the center. Very nice. If you feel pain now, if you feel pain during any of this, it's okay. If the pain is, it's not too much, it's not too intense, it's not pinchy pain, then it's very okay. Because pain will come. Pain thoda sa aata hai, nas pe nas bhi chad jati hai kabhi kabhar. So it's fine. Alright, come back to the center. Very nice. Now, once again, we'll turn to one side. But this time, the moment you turn, you have to sit up without using the hands. Nice and simple. And then go down. If you can, no use of the hands. Very nice. Halka sa momentum banega. And then it is easy. Try it. Very good. If you want to use, you can use one hand. We have last 4 more. Very nice. Last 2. And come back. Very nice. All right, now close the gap between the legs, everyone. Very good. Now we are going to lay down on the back. Very nice. Lay down. Bring both the knees towards the chest. दोनों पैरों को अपनी तरफ खींचो. आराम से लेट जाओ. अब यहीं से रॉकिंग करेंगे, रोलिंग करेंगे आगे की तरफ. We'll start rolling. Front to back. Front to back. Very nice. Make the momentum. You have to sit in Malasana. You have to sit in Malasana deep squat position. Very nice. And once again drop. Once again sit up. So if it takes you 2 or 3 rounds of rolling, you do that. 2 or 3 times roll. Pick up the speed. And then up. Very nice. If you feel like you want to, hold on to something, pakadna hai kuch, you hold on to that object, and then, or maybe somebody's hand, if somebody is supporting you, and then go back. If you are falling back, then you can just do that, right? And go back. And Malasana. We'll do 3. Breathe in. Exhale. 2. And 1. Stay in Malasana. Stay in Malasana deep squat position. Very nice. Stay there. Stay there. Now we are going to knee drop. Stay in Malasana. Hands stay behind. Drop one knee and then lift up. Drop other knee and then lift up. I know there are so many people who cannot touch their heels down in Malasana deep squat, right? We don't want to be among them. Malasana deep squat requires good amount of mobility and flexibility. So if you are able to do it, amazing. If you are not able to do it, hold on to something. It will improve with time. Continue. We have last 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Amazing. Now stay in Malasana, stay in Malasana. See, hands down, go into the forward folding position. So you don't have to make the legs straight, okay? You can keep the knees bent. Touch the tummy to the thigh. That's important. That is important. Once again, sit into Malasana. Now you can also reduce the gap, okay, between the legs. You can also reduce the gap between the legs. Keep the hands out. And then the forward folding position. Touch the tummy to the thigh. Knees bent. Exhale out. Inhale, Malasana. Exhale, forward fold. We'll do 3 more rounds. Inhale. And then exhale. Inhale. And then exhale. Last one. Inhale. And then exhale. Very nice. Drop one knee. Drop the other knee. Stay here in the tabletop position. Very good. हाथ आपके बिल्कुल कंधों के नीचे. Hands right under the shoulder. Knees right under the hips. Inhale everyone. Arch the back. Exhale everyone. Round the spine. Inhale. Arch the back. Look up to the sky. Exhale. Round the spine. Very nice. Now take the right leg everyone up and bring the right leg in between the hands. Push the hips forward. Very nice. Open the chest. Breathe in. Exhale. आगे वाले पैर को सीधा करो. जितना होता है. You can always keep a bend in the knee. Inhale. Open the chest. Exhale. Straighten out the front leg. Inhale. Open the chest. Exhale. Straighten out the front leg. Last one more. Inhale. Exhale. Now stay there in the low lunging position. Now see, we'll try one thing, okay? This is a challenge as well for you. So from the low lunging position, hands go up. Now we have to turn into side squat position. See, पीछे वाला leg. Very slowly turning. Now the leg is on the heel and I am in the side squat position. If you need to hold on to something, you do that. Very nice. Now try to transition back into the low lunge position. No use of the hands. Very nice. Let's do one more round. Transition into side squat. Transition into low lunge. And then go back. Very good. Left leg in between the hands. Push the chest out. Exhale, fold forward. Open the chest. Fold forward. Open the chest. Fold forward. Last one more. Inhale. Exhale. Stay in the low lunge position. Hands go up. Come on. Try keeping both the hands up. If you feel like, you drop the hands. The back leg comes on the heel. And then once again, low lunging position. I know it is challenging. Try kare jitna hota hai. One more round. And then go back and drop the hands. And relax. Stay there everyone. Vajrasana position. Take a nice deep breath in. Close the eyes. Exhale out. Say this to yourself that I am going to have the best day of my life. I am all ready to have the most beautiful day where I smile a lot. Inhale on that note. Exhale all the tension, the tightness. Hands in the Namaskara Mudra. and we bow down. Come back. Rub the palms all over the body. And that is it. I hope you enjoyed the practice and you're feeling very light in your lower body. If it was your first day, maybe just give it a few more days and then you will see the difference, right? So I hope you enjoy and you do it more. You do it more, right? Because एक दिन में कुछ नहीं फर्क आता, एक दिन में कोई difference नहीं आता है. We have to be more consistent. We have to come back to the practice again and again. Hari Om everyone. I will see you in the next one. Until then, keep smiling. Hari Om.